Hello everybody, welcome to SkillWeb. In this video, I will show you how to save a Google Doc as a PDF. So let's start the video. At first, open your Google Docs file. Then go to the top menu and click on File. Then hover over Download. Here you will see a multiple downloading options. From here, click on PDF document. This will automatically start downloading as a PDF, and there you have it. I hope this video helped you out. If you found this tutorial helpful, give us a like and subscribe to SkillWeb for more helpful tutorials. This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.